Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo and welcome to MarineMax of Norwalk, Connecticut. Today I'm standing on the Saxdor 320 GTC. This boat is 32 feet long with a 10-foot beam. And I'm standing on one of the two swim patios that actually bring the boat to 15 feet wide. That's half as wide as it is long. Come aboard and I'll show you a few great features that I love about this boat. So starting here at the transom, you'll see that we have the Mercury V8 300 horsepower motors, a beautiful reversible aft seat. If you come on in the boat, you'll see that we have lockable transom gates on either side of the boat to keep everything in the boat. And of course, the foldable balconies are my number one favorite feature, but here's number two. Welcome to the pilot house. Inside our summer kitchen, or galley if you will. Open this up to reveal a hot plate, a sink, all stainless steel, and two cabinets with plenty of storage for your utensils, plates, glasses, whatever else you need to store on board. And off to your starboard side, we have a beautiful dinette table that actually drops down electronically and turns into an extra bed. This folds away in order to have easy access. These seats, when you are using it as a dinette, can actually spin 180 degrees to face your guests. Here at the helm, you'll see it's nicely appointed. This boat has all the goodies on it. It's got the twin Simrad display screens, joystick, a bow thruster for a little extra oomph when you need it. You have a VHF handheld radio and zip wake automatic trim tabs to make things simple. Down below, you have ample accommodations for two, an electric head and sink, and additional storage for a short weekend away. You say, but Mark, I love the open feel when I'm out on the water. I don't like to be closed in. That's okay. Hop on the boat, open up both side windows, and look at the size of this sunroof. So now you have the best of both worlds. Extend your boating shoulder seasons out by 2 more months. So if you're a current boat owner or a previous boat owner, you know one thing that manufacturers love to do: hide their switching or just make it very difficult to get to the main switch panel. But here on the Saxdor, we have it right here. Everything at your fingertips, easy to access. We have our Bluetooth stereo system right here, controls for our HVAC system. By the way, this boat has not only heat and air conditioning down in the cabin, but also up here in the pilot house. And just back here, you have an inductive charging port. Now, why don't we take a quick walk up to the bow? Look how simple this is. Take a tour. So I hope you enjoyed that brief walkthrough of the Saxdor 320 GTC. My name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. Give me a call. Come on down. This boat's in the water, available for viewing anytime.